Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Lourdes Miranda, 28 years old. I'm separated and I have 2 children. I'm high school graduate.
Good day to you, Miss Lourdes. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what are the advantages of the employer if they will hire you?
I'm honest, loyal, and you can trust me, and I'm hardworking.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will take about them every day, tutoring them and feed them at the right time, and I treat them as my own children.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake and the employers called you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I'm very sorry and I will not do it again.
Okay, so do you have a message to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need this job, and I promise I will finish this 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lourdes. Hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.